food. तो आज हम करेंगे चक्कर। Plants the source of food. Plants are very important for us. Apart from giving us many useful products like food, wood, medicines, etc. Plants are also the primary source of food for us. Most of the food items that we eat come directly or indirectly from plants. But have you ever thought about what plants eat? Plants make their own food. They make food in their leaves in the presence of sunlight through the process of photosynthesis. Apart from food, plants give us another thing that we cannot live without. Do you know what it is? The precious resource is oxygen. ऑक्सीजन के बिना हम लिव नहीं कर सकते, मतलब हम जी नहीं सकते. We cannot live. When plants make their food by the process of photosynthesis, they give out oxygen. Let us learn more about this process. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a Greek word in which photo means light and synthesis means putting together. Plants use this process to make their food. Photosynthesis takes place in the presence of carbon dioxide, water and sunlight, material required for photosynthesis. Have you seen your mother prepare food? She gets all the vegetable flour and spices from the market before preparing food in the kitchen. Similarly, plants get raw materials from the environment before making their food. The raw materials needed for this process are water, minerals, carbon dioxide and sunlight. Different parts of a plant collect using all of these. Different parts of a plant collect different raw materials and leaves make food using all of these. Therefore, leaves are also known as the kitchen of the plant. Let us understand how all these raw materials are collected. Leaves have tiny pores on the surface which can be seen only under a microscope. These pores are called stomata. Air enters the leaves through the stomata. When the leaves make food, they take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen through the stomata. Water is absorbed from the soil by the roots. Chlorophyll present in the leaves traps the sunlight. Once all the ingredients are collected, leaves produce food in the form of sugar. Oxygen is released as a byproduct of the photosynthesis. It is used by all living things for breathing. In addition to leaves, photosynthesis also takes place in other green parts of the plant. Leaf, the food factory. Leaves are mostly broad and flat green structures of plants, but there is a great variety in their shape and size. The flat broad part of the leaf is called the leaf blade. In the middle of the leaf blade is the main vein and several side veins or tubes are connected with it. These veins carry water and minerals to all the parts of a leaf. Leaf also has special structures called stomata, which play an important role in photosynthesis. Have you ever wondered why a plant has so many leaves? Why are leaves mostly green in color? The green color of the leaf is because of the presence of a green colored pigment called chlorophyll, which helps in trapping sunlight for photosynthesis. Larger the plant, more food it needs to live. Therefore, big plants have more number of leaves. We should water plants properly to keep the leaves healthy and green. Role of roots. How do plants get water? The root is that part of the plant which remains under the soil. Soil not only fixes the plant familiarly to the ground but also soak water and minerals for the plants. They have small tube-like structures which absorb the minerals and water from soil and carry them to the stem. Role of stem. How are food, water and minerals transported from one place to another? The stem grows above the ground. It bears branches on which leaves and flowers grow. The stem also has many tube-like structures inside it, which are extended also from roots. Can you guess the function of these tubes? Let us perform the following activity to know the answer. Activity नहीं पढ़ना मुझे. The stem and the leaves turn red. This happens because the roots absorb the red colored water and pass it into the long tubes of the stem, from where this color reaches the leaves. Now we know that the stem carries water from the roots to all parts of the plant. Sunlight, carbon dioxide, required photosynthesis are taken up by the leaves. Storage of food. The food prepared by photosynthesis is in the form of glucose. It is a kind of sugar and is converted into starch by plants. Do you know what happens to the food made by the plants? The food prepared in leaves is sent to all parts of the plant by long tube-like structures. Some part of the food is used by the plants to produce energy for their survival and for their growth. The rest of the food is converted into starch and stored in different parts of the plant. For example, food is stored in roots in the plants of radish and carrot. Similarly, the leaves of cabbage and mint store the food in them. Some of the food storing stems are potato and sugarcane. Humans and other animals use this stored plant food for eating and obtaining energy. Is starch present in a stem, potato? Let us check the presence of stored food starch in potato by performing activity 3. Here we see that the slice of potato changes its color from golden yellow to blue black. This shows the presence of starch, which is a stem with starch present in a green color.
तो गाइस मैं आगे का रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं बना पाया क्योंकि वहाँ पे कुछ हो गया था, मतलब मेरे कैमरा को ख़राब हो गया था मेरा, तो मैं आगे की रिकॉर्डिंग में नहीं पाया और जो वो मेरा GTA 5 का वीडियो है वो पता नहीं बनी नहीं रही मेरी, और अभी टाइम पास की सीरीज भी बनेगी वो भी